Hey, it's Misty back here with you today for another episode of Epiphany Coaching on how to live a positive, abundant life. And all this week we've been talking about stress. It's the number one call that I get with my coaching clients. So we started off this week with our Ask Misty Monday question, which we do every single week. And we'd love for you to send us a question. So you can do that on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter, or you can drop it right here in the comment box down below. We'd love to hear from you. And our question this week was about holiday stress, which when I started thinking about that people are already starting to stress out about the holidays, that stressed me out a little bit, that we take something that might happen that's this big into something that may never happen, and we worry about it. And so what I want you to do today is to choose where you are focusing your energy, and try to only focus your energy on things that you have control over, or things that are absolute that are going to happen, and only spend the energy worrying on those things. So I hope that our Wednesday video helped you with 5 things to help you worry less. If it did, go ahead and give us a little like and subscribe on that video. That would mean a lot to us. So there's this super great book that talks about don't expel your energy and the subtle art of not giving I'm not going to curse because I'm really sitting right in front of the church right now and I don't want to do that, but we're going to link that video. We did another video on it. We're going to link that video for you. And that is a really great book, and it talks about your stress as units of energy and where to use them and how and why. So I hope that you enjoy that book. You can download it, I'm sure, this weekend and read it. And so I hope that you had a great week, and I hope that next week is even better for you, and that you can figure out how to eliminate some of your stress. This is how I eliminate my stress. I come and I sit in a beautiful place and take a couple of deep breaths and spend my time and my energy focusing on me and reflecting on what I can actually do to help you and myself. So again, I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and until next Monday, happy manifesting.